Hey everybody, Linus here. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of coding. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, these 10 pro tips will help you level up your skills and achieve success in the tech industry. From mastering the basics to landing your dream job, we'll cover everything you need to know to code your way to the top. So, grab your favorite energy drink, fire up your IDE, and let's get started. All right, let's start with the fundamentals. You can't build a skyscraper without a solid foundation, right? The same goes for coding. You got to understand the core concepts like variables, data types, loops, and functions. Think of these as your building blocks. Once you grasp these, you can start tackling more complex problems and writing efficient, elegant code. Trust me, a strong foundation will make your coding journey way smoother. Now, I know learning the basics can feel a bit dry at times, but stick with it. There are tons of resources available online, like free coding courses, interactive tutorials, and even fun coding games. Experiment with different learning styles until you find what clicks for you. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become with the fundamentals. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. In fact, debugging is a crucial part of the coding process, so embrace those errors, figure out what went wrong, and keep iterating until you get it right. Remember, even the best programmers started somewhere, so be patient, stay curious, and enjoy the learning process. You got this. Okay, so you've got the basics down. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and start building something awesome. There's no better way to learn than by actually coding. Forget those boring textbooks and dive into real-world projects. Trust me, it's way more fun and rewarding. Think about something you're passionate about, like gaming, music, or even something as simple as a to-do list app. Then break down that project into smaller, manageable chunks. Start with the basic version and gradually add more features as you learn. You'll be amazed at how quickly you progress when you're actually building something tangible. And don't worry if your first projects aren't perfect. The goal is to learn and experiment. As you work on different projects, you'll encounter new challenges and develop your problem-solving skills. You'll also start to understand how different parts of a program fit together, which is crucial for building larger, more complex applications. So get out there, build something cool, and have fun with it. With so many programming languages out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. My advice? Pick one language and stick with it until you truly understand its ins and outs. Don't fall into the trap of jumping between languages too early. It's like trying to learn 5 instruments at once. You'll just end up confused. Now, which language should you choose? Well, that depends on your goals. If you're into web development, JavaScript is a solid choice. For data science, Python is the way to go. And if you're interested in mobile app development, Java or Swift are great options. Do your research, find a language that aligns with your interests, and commit to mastering it. Once you've become proficient in one language, learning others will be much easier. The core concepts of programming translate across different languages, so you'll be able to pick up new syntax and frameworks more quickly. But remember, it all starts with a deep understanding of your first language. Let's face it, even the most experienced programmers need help sometimes. That's where the amazing world of online resources comes in. Websites like Stack Overflow are like a lifeline for developers. Got a tricky bug you can't squash? Someone on Stack Overflow has probably already solved it. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. And then there's GitHub, the ultimate platform for collaborating on code. You can find tons of open source projects to learn from, contribute to, and even use as a starting point for your own projects. It's like a massive library of code just waiting to be explored. Of course, we can't forget about the countless online tutorials and courses available. Websites like Codecademy, Khan Academy, and Udemy offer fantastic resources for learning new skills and diving deeper into specific topics. Many of these resources are even free, so there's no excuse not to take advantage of them. So, embrace the power of the internet and use these resources to your advantage. All right, time to unleash your creativity and build something truly unique. Personal projects are the ultimate way to apply your skills, experiment with new ideas, and create something you're passionate about. It's like having your own coding sandbox where you can let your imagination run wild. Don't be afraid to start small. It could be a simple game, a website for your favorite hobby, or even a handy tool to automate a mundane task. The key is to choose something that excites you and keeps you motivated. As you work on your project, you'll encounter challenges, learn new techniques, and gain valuable experience. And who knows, your personal project could even turn into something bigger. Maybe it'll land you a job, spark a new business idea, or even become the next big thing in the tech world. The possibilities are endless, so go out there, build something amazing, and let your coding skills shine. Think about it. How do you learn to write better? You read the works of great authors. It's the same with coding. One of the best ways to improve your skills is to read code written by other developers. Think of it as studying the masters of the craft. Head over to GitHub and explore open-source projects that interest you. Read through the code, try to understand how it works, and pay attention to the style and structure. You'll pick up valuable insights, learn new techniques, and discover different ways to solve problems. Don't just passively read the code, though. Try running it, experimenting with it, and even modifying it to see what happens. This active approach will give you a deeper understanding of how the code functions and help you internalize best practices. Contributing to open-source projects is like leveling up your coding skills in a massive online multiplayer game. You get to work alongside experienced developers, tackle real-world challenges, and make a tangible impact on projects used by people around the world. It's a fantastic way to learn, grow, and give back to the coding community. Start by finding a project that aligns with your interests and skill level. Many projects have good first-issue tags, which are perfect for beginners. These are usually smaller, well-defined tasks that allow you to get your feet wet without feeling overwhelmed. As you gain experience, you can take on more challenging tasks, such as fixing bugs, adding new features, or even improving documentation. Contributing to open-source projects not only enhances your coding skills, but also boosts your visibility within the community. It's a great way to network with other developers, get your work seen, and build a strong online presence. The tech world is constantly evolving, with new technologies and programming languages emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to be a lifelong learner, always eager to explore the latest trends and expand your skill set. Think of it as upgrading your coding toolbox with the newest, most powerful tools. Make it a habit to read industry blogs, follow tech influencers on social media, and attend webinars or conferences to stay informed about the latest advancements. You don't need to learn every new technology that comes out, but having a general awareness of what's happening will help you make informed decisions about your career path and choose the right tools for your projects. Remember, the skills that are in high demand today might be obsolete tomorrow. So embrace the ever-changing nature of the tech world and make continuous learning a core part of your coding journey. Coding might seem like a solitary pursuit, but it's actually a highly collaborative field. Networking with other programmers is crucial for sharing knowledge, finding support, and opening doors to new opportunities. Think of it as building your own coding community, a network of like-minded individuals who can help you grow and succeed. Attend meetups, hackathons, and conferences to connect with fellow developers. Engage in online forums, join coding communities on social media, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire for advice or mentorship. You'll be amazed at how willing other programmers are to share their knowledge and help others. Networking not only expands your professional circle, but also exposes you to different perspectives, coding styles, and problem-solving approaches. It's a valuable way to learn from others, get inspired, and stay motivated on your coding journey. All right, you've honed your coding skills, built impressive projects, and networked with other developers. Now it's time to land that dream job. Technical interviews can be daunting, but with the right preparation, you can ace them and impress potential employers. Practice solving coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank. These websites offer a vast library of problems commonly asked in technical interviews, allowing you to familiarize yourself with different problem-solving techniques and improve your coding speed and accuracy. Brush up on data structures and algorithms, which are fundamental concepts often tested in interviews. Understand the time and space complexity of different algorithms, and be prepared to explain your thought process and justify your solutions. Remember, interviewers are not only looking for correct answers, but also for clear communication and a strong understanding of core programming concepts. Finally, research the company and the role you're applying for. Understand their tech stack, the types of projects they work on, and the specific skills they're looking for. This preparation will show the interviewer that you're genuinely interested in the position and have taken the time to understand their needs. So there you have it, 10 pro tips to help you code your way to success. Remember, coding is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, never stop learning, and always be curious. The tech world is full of exciting opportunities, and with passion, dedication, and the right skills, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So go out there, build something amazing, and leave your mark on the world. And hey, if you ever need a little inspiration, just remember, I'm rooting for you.